Hello. So the goal today is to teach you guys how we create a Google search ad group. So I already have a campaign running, and as we know in our wheel, this would be number 3. So number 3 is how we get our new traffic. So we've already done our research. We already have our ecosystem, our infrastructure in place, and we're adding a new ad group to our new traffic flow. And just to confirm, the new traffic flow from a visual perspective is anybody that's never been to our website, never heard of our brand, above this layer. So either prior to getting to our website or prior to getting to our database, the 3 layers. So anything in number 3 of the wheel is before they've ever heard of you. Cold traffic, has never been to the website before, to the CRM, brand new users. So right now we have our campaign running for this client, and we have Brickell, and now we're adding Pinecrest. How did I select these keywords? So part of number 1 in the wheel, this section on how we do keyword research, there's a couple ways we do it, but the simplest way is to type in the best keyword in Google. So what does that mean? This means the sub area, the property type, and the buyer intent. So in this case, the user or the agent is going after an area called Pinecrest. So we see Pinecrest, this is Pinecrest, just for accuracy purposes. We have a map here. But once we type this in, our go-to is really Zillow. And the organic result, because sometimes the paid version is a bit different. Once we open the organic page, this is the result we get. We want to copy it exactly. So don't worry, my prior history shows this, but when I add houses, we definitely want to make sure that there's enough inventory. Anything over 60 is decent. This is good. This provides a niche area above a certain price point. If you ever really want to know, you go low to high. And let's go ahead and remove condos because we're not really going after condos. And beautiful. The cheapest, lowest price point out of 105 properties is 1.5 million. This is the perfect area to go after for your client. So now that we know our keyword, we grabbed our organic, we provide a software called we utilize a software called SEMrush. You can use Keyword Planner. This is just a tactic we've learned over the years. So you don't want the root domain. The root domain is everything. It depends on what keyword. In this case, since Zillow is such a large website and we want this specific page's keywords, we select exact URL. You go here to view details. And my rule of thumb is to order by position. Really, you want anything that provides property type, buyer intent, and the sub area. Once you select those, the ones with the highest search volume, I like to use as phrase match. And then the other ones I use as exact match. So I'll grab these 2 keywords, this one and this one. And you'll see we've already pre-selected and pre-populated some of them. And this is phrase match. We can go back. Phrase match means in parentheses. Exact match means like this, in brackets. And you can of course make these adjustments after. You don't want to go after too many keywords because then they'll start competing against each other. But you have the variations between homes and houses. Let's see if we have any real estate keywords. Homes, Pinecrest, Florida homes, Pinecrest, Florida houses. This might be another good one. 480 search volume, houses for sale, Pinecrest, Florida. So all of these are actually pretty good keywords. Let's see, we're only gonna add about 2 or 3 more. We'll go ahead and put them as exact. I don't usually go after this keyword, but we'll try it this time. Pinecrest, Florida real estate listings. It's not a keyword I often see. And always when in doubt, go to Google, type in the keyword, and whatever the first organic results are is correlated to what the keyword has the best results for. So now that we know all this, let's go ahead and save and continue. And then we're going to go ahead and add our ad text. So we have our pre-populated page. We copy and paste this exactly. We're going to go ahead and use this as the ad. And then for the rest of it, you could just go to ChatGPT and ask for 15 variations of headlines with 30 characters max and 5 descriptions with 90 characters max as well. And let me give you kind of an example. So you see, this is for a building, and we'll just change it for the keyword that we're going after. So I hope all this makes sense. Thanks again.